Hello guys, there we have a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification and any other virus on this device. So, in the first step, if you see something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus. So we can try to remove it without antivirus app yet. To do it, just hold your finger on your web browser and go to the app info. Now go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Now tap clear all data and OK. Now we have to go to the settings and go to the apps. Now see all apps on your phone and look for any unwanted application. If you see something like that, just choose it and click on install. Now your phone shall be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can try to download an antivirus app, but remember to choose trusted company. I will show you it on the Avast. So we have to open it and click get started. Now click next and skip. Continue with free and continue as free again. Now click here and add permissions. And go back. Now choose your scan. And now Avast, looking for viruses and unwanted software on your phone. Then after the scan, Avast will delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.